Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Launchpadxyz token. Now this token is live for pre-sale right now on their webpage. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So if you go over to their webpage, launchpad.xyz, real easy to find. The pre-sale is live right now. Now, it's about 4.45 cents per token right now. Ticker symbol is LPX. All you do is connect your wallet, like your MetaMask wallet, to the page here, and you can get this token either with Ethereum or USDT, or you can get it with a card, like a credit card, something like that. So, so far they've raised over 1 million USDT. So they're doing very well right now. And yeah, so the pre-sale is on right now, and the price does increase. Now, if you're stuck on how to buy this token, there's a how to buy guide. You can also buy with BNB, it says here as well. Now, price right now, like I said, is 4.45 cents per token. Listing price will be 5.65% per token when it goes live. So you will get it as a discount for getting the token in pre-sale. So it says, Launchpadxyz, find the next Pepe before it explodes. Launchpadxyz provides all the tools users need to be successful in Web3, from insights and learning through to trading, alpha, analytics, and strategy. And it says, view the full white paper. They do have a pretty lengthy white paper. You can check out 25 pages long. Now, they've been seen in all sorts of different news outlets. You can check out the news articles. They go over how to buy LPX token step by step, real easy, the help guide. So Launchpadxyz's key features, it says, we're providing all the training required to be a successful trader and empowering Web3 users of any experience level to maximize their profit potential. So they have the trading edge. It says, make an informed decision in your next trade with sentiment, news, and market insights, as well as top trade setups from experienced traders. Terminal, once you've created your own trading framework, use our blazingly fast trading terminal to execute trades at the optimal time. And they have a decentralized exchange. So it says, we'll focus on attracting market-leading liquidity providers to ensure your trades complete fully on the Launchpadxyz DEX. All of your Web3 in one place. Launchpadxyz makes Web3 human by simplifying a complex world into one familiar home. Discover how things work, what the risks are, and how to operate safely. So it says, get the edge in trading. Ever wonder why an asset suddenly pumps or suddenly dumps? Heard the term liquidity zone, but not sure how to find them? Launchpadxyz has a mission, and that is to make sure anyone can understand how the Web3 markets work and how to create your own trading framework to give you the best chance of success. So understand market moves. Missed out on the last pump 100% or more? Launchpadxyz is here to make sure you catch as many of these as possible. We'll teach you all the methods and decision-making frameworks to base your decisions on and leave you in full control over your next trade. No more relying on Twitter or Telegram groups. So it says, learn with Launchpadxyz. Launchpadxyz will support users in learning and understanding the Web3 ecosystem, from in-depth analytics and insights to news and market sentiment, showing you projects before the next Bored Ape Yacht Club with significant financial upside. They also have play to earn features. Discover what's next with LQ. Tired of having to use 5 to 10 different platforms to get the right information? The Launchpadxyz feed is Web3 all in one place. It's an easy to understand format. We'll use a single metric called Launchpadxyz quotient, aka the LQ, to show you what's hot and what's not in the market. So they show you all these different play to earn tokens on here as well. They have brands. It says create and curate. Launchpadxyz uses industry standard process to provide the tools, pricing, and delivery schedules to fit in with how agencies work, enabling brands to deliver world-class Web3 experiences in weeks, not months. So the white paper has tons of information on it as well. I was just looking at it. So they go over all the features here. Now, in a nutshell, these are all the features of the Launchpadxyz project. They have non-fungible tokens, NFTs. They have fractionalized assets, pre-sales of Web3 projects, play-to-earn game hub. That's what I was just talking about there. And then metaverse experience library to go with that. Web3 wallet. NFT decentralized exchange, trading terminal, the Launchpad quotient, and AI search and custom LLM. So they go over all of these in detail on their white paper. You can go over every single thing like the Web3 wallet and what it entails. Basically all of the stuff's available on their white paper, and each one of them has like a page each that you can go over. Now their roadmap here, starting in Q2 2023 with token contract deployment, Inside Edge newsletter, Inside Edge news and signals, Telegram, Web3 wallet and profile. Q3 pre-sale, Launchpad feed, token direction, metaverse library, NFT directory, gaming hub. Q4 decentralized exchange, token unlocks, pre-sale directory, learn with Launchpad. Next year, we're going to have Launchpad quotient, AI search, trading terminal, NFT, decentralized exchange, gaming hub, and lastly, fractionalized asset creation and exchange. Now, you can stake this token. It shows you how to stake. There is tokenomics on here. It is split up between marketing, user acquisition, team, market making, platform development, pre-sale, team, etc. Pretty straightforward on here, and yeah, and then you could read more about their team members on their webpage. They have their faces on here, LinkedIn addresses, job titles, full names, and background. Big story about all of them. Frequently asked questions like what is Launchpadxyz, etc. When will I get my tokens after pre-sale? Tons of socials. As always, I put the Twitter up here so you guys can easily find this token. At Launchpad LPX is their Twitter. Real easy to find. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.